sensor O2.
Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. Don Luke Electronics. Project number 15, Environment, Carbon Monoxide Sensor MQ7, Mk39.
Base plate and base plate shield, Arduino and expressive here, display here, temperature, humidity here, sensor for monoxide here, battery here, computer for programming here.
DFRobot FireBeetle 2 ESP32E.
Programming here, sensor here, Arduino programming here, pins here and tools here, expressive here, battery, screen here, temperature, humidity, and sensor this monoxide. This programming here, library here, sensor monoxide here, humidity temperature here, the screen here, and tools here, and the information here. Monoxide here, and temperature, humidity, display, and 1 second here. Screens here, humidity, and this version and this, and after monoxide here, humidity, and temperature here. Monoxide here. From here, temperature, humidity here, carbon here, setup here, first delay, the from here, the from here, the display here, begin for humidity temperature, and screen here, and that's it. Now the sensor, carbon monoxide sensor here, temperature, humidity here, base plate and base plate here, Arduino and expressive here, screen here, battery and computer for programming here.
Programming, Arduino.
Now the programming here. See the computer and programming here. Wait here. This here, and right for perfect. This is the battery here, and see now the project here, 1 second here, and now this humidity and temperature, and this sensor here. This around here, the hear bad here. So, good.
Gravity, Analog Cause Sensor, MQ7. This is an Arduino Carbon Monoxide Sensor. It uses MQ7 probe to detect carbon monoxide, CO, concentrations in the air from 20 to 2000 ppm. The sensitivity can be adjusted by the potentiometer. The output is proportional to the density of gas. You can use analog reading to read the data from this sensor. Don Luke Electronics. Curriculum vitae. JLP Consultants. Facebook. YouTube. Hackster. TikTok. LinkedIn.